Hi, I'm Chef Danny Blau, and our recipe is nutritious and delicious for two reasons: the strawberries and the low-fat vanilla yogurt, which is going to replace the high-fat cream that's in traditional shortcake recipes. Now, everybody knows that strawberries are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants, but what I bet you didn't know is that it's also a great source of fiber. A half a cup of these strawberries has more fiber than a slice of whole wheat bread, if you can believe that. Now, the second component is the low-fat yogurt. Now, the recipe calls for low-fat vanilla yogurt, but I have a little trick that I want to share with you that I like to do the night before. I'm going to strain the yogurt, and it's going to remove a lot of the moisture content that's in the yogurt, and what it's going to leave is a very rich custard-like yogurt. So I have a bowl and a strainer, and I'm going to place a piece of cheesecloth in the bowl, and then I'm going to take my yogurt and dump it, just like that, into the strainer. A little bit more left in there. And then I'm just going to cover this up gently with a cloth and stick it in the refrigerator overnight. Now, I want to show you what I like to do with strawberries. A lot of times when people slice strawberries, they slice almost the third of the entire strawberry off. Now, that to me is silly when you've got all this delicious strawberry juices. What I like to do is take an apple core and I just literally pluck the top stem right out, so you're left with all strawberry. And then from there, I just chop them up coarsely and I toss them right into the bowl. We're going to add to our strawberries, just to sweeten them up a little bit, because they don't really need much more sugar. We're going to add a little bit of sugar and a little touch of honey. All right, we're going to mix this up, and it's going to make a nice juicy syrup, and we're going to let that sit for about 15 minutes. Now, I want to get that yogurt. All right, now I mentioned that all of the liquid is going to be drained out of the yogurt. Look at that. That's how much liquid came out. So what we have left here is a decadent, creamy, ultra thick yogurt to make our parfaits with. You're not gonna believe this. Check this out. Wow. Okay, we're almost ready to do this. I just wanna add a little lemon zest to our yogurt. Now this lemon is gonna really bring out a tremendous flavor in these strawberries. They're like a match made in heaven, you know? I don't know what to tell you. There's such certain things that were meant to go together. Strawberries and lemon are definitely one of them. All right, so I have a little zester here. If you don't have one of these at home, you can just use a handheld cheese grater or a box grater if you have one of those. Just be sure you don't get the white pit, because that'll make it bitter. All right, so we've got a little lemon zest in there, and I'm gonna mix that up. All right, and the last component of our recipe is this store-bought angel food cake. Really easy, no baking required. You just buy it from the bakery section, cut it into cubes, and you're ready to assemble. So let me show you how to make these beautiful parfaits, which, by the way, parfait, if that word intimidates you, don't let it. It's just another word for saying a layered dessert. That's it, simple as that. So let's make these parfaits. Now, you can build this parfait in any type of glass. I like to use little tumblers without feet. Actually, this is plastic, don't tell anybody. Great for a pool party. So we're going to add to our parfait a couple of cubes of angel food cake that I've cut up into nice cubes. We're gonna put in some strawberries with that lovely syrup we have. And then we're gonna add some of this lemon yogurt love right into the glass. Oh, look at that, it's so thick it doesn't even want to come off the spoon. Oh my gosh, all right. Oh, that looks so good. All right, and we're gonna do the whole thing all over again. A couple more angel food cake, a little more strawberries, get a nice layer in there. Oh, this looks so good. And one more final dollop of lemon yogurt. Oh, so good. And then for a finishing touch, how about if we top this off with a sprig of fresh mint?